In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HoneyBook, a powerful tool for managing your business, especially if you're just starting out. First, you'll want to go to honeybook.com. Here, you'll have the opportunity to create a new account. Don't worry if you're on the fence about committing. HoneyBook offers a free trial period, allowing you to explore its features without any immediate financial commitment. Once you've set up your account, it's time to brand your profile by adding your business name, the services you provide, and of course, your logo. This not only personalizes your account, but also helps in maintaining a consistent branding presence whenever you interact with your clients. Next, we'll move on to creating a project. The dashboard makes this incredibly simple. You just need to click on the plus new project button. With this, you'll then enter essential details like the client's name, the type of project, and also the date. This project dashboard acts like your control center. You can organize everything related to this project here, such as emails, invoices, and files, all neatly consolidated in one place for easy management. Once your project is set up, you might need to send out proposals or invoices to your clients. Within your project area, you can easily do this by selecting Create File and then choosing either Proposal or Invoice. Here, it's crucial to include the details of the services you're offering, the pricing, and the schedule for payments. Once this is perfectly outlined, you can send it directly to your client via an email link. This efficient process ensures there's no paper wasted and no confusion, as everything is digital and easily trackable. Another important aspect of project management is having a contract in place, which HoneyBook simplifies with just a few clicks. Under Create File, select Contract. You'll notice that HoneyBook provides you with built-in templates, which you can use to save time, or you can choose to upload your customized contract if you already have one prepared. Ensure that you include e-signature fields so both you and your client can easily sign the document, making the process legally binding and straightforward. Now, one of the most rewarding parts of using HoneyBook is getting paid. Clients can pay you directly through the platform using a variety of options like credit cards or bank transfers. It's incredibly accommodating, and what's more, you can manage and track all of these transactions in the Payments tab. You'll also receive notifications that keep you updated on the status of your payments, ensuring you're always in the loop. So there you have it, a comprehensive beginner's guide to navigating and utilizing HoneyBook. Enjoy exploring and harness the power of this efficient tool to boost your business management capabilities.